These are two super cute, warm and cozy, soft touch fleece lined hoodies we were sent to review, so let me show you a closer look. They're true to size. My twins are 10 years old, so we got the large, which says for ages 10 to 12, and they are the perfect fit. My girls have tons of hoodies, and these are by far the softest we've seen and their new favorites, no cap, as they say. The outside is soft and smooth, typical kind of sweatshirt material, really nice. But the inside is where it's at. It is so velvety soft and plush, just so comfortable. Guys, how soft is this?
So soft.
So soft and comfortable. The design is cute too, with a shell on the top left of the front and all kinds of sea life on the back. Really adorable, but not being too cutesy, if you know what I mean. They feature a perfectly fitting hood, a great pocket that goes the whole way through, nice wrist and waist cuff, and no drawstrings to deal with. It says 65% cotton, 35% polyester, machine wash and dry, which we've been doing, and they come out really great. My girls are loving these, and we know yours will too.